you are somebody facing difficulty in sitting long hours and study, then you have to follow this method immediately. This method is scientifically proven and has been tested on many of the students, and it works very well. Now, whenever you sit for studying, whatever it may be, for reading or for practicing, you have to set an alarm for 21 minutes, and you need to concentrate and focus on your studies for 21 minutes. As soon as the alarm rings, get up out of your place, walk out from your study room and drink a glass of water, come back, again sit and focus again. Now, gradually increase your alarm timing by 2 to 3 minutes, and you will see that you have trained your biological alarm to work for you. Now you will be able to concentrate on your studies without any distractions, without any disturbances, and you know what, this works very well. Try it out and let me know that how it worked for you. This is Vardan Sahu wishing you all the best for your exams.